Hi, in front of me is Blackview A80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. Firstly, find sound recorder and tap on it. Then tap on the red button to start a recording and allow access to microphone and storage by clicking allow. As you can see, my recording is now on. If you want to turn it off, just tap at the same button. Now click at the right button and choose save. Then click at the right button again to see a list of all your recordings. If you want to delete one of them, hold it, click at the bin icon and choose OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!